Hello everyone, welcome to Addy Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for Monday, that is around 13th December. What I have opened here is the 15-minute chart of Banknifty. This is exactly the levels that I had drawn and posted on my Instagram channel, as I could not put up a video. The resistance and the support green lines are the support, red lines are the resistance. See, when we opened today, we had this high volatile candle in the first 15 minutes, but exactly we took resistance on this trend line that I drawn and started dipping. And this is where we also had today daily CPR. It's not coming on now, but let me see if I can put it on this. So this is the daily CPR. Exactly, we had resistance there, and we also had this trend line coming in from the top, right, which we had marked. So exactly took a shot here and booked close to S1. It was just little lots, few lots, hardly made anything, about 2,000 or 3,000 bucks. I've pushed that on my Instagram channel. And this was a very good buy. There were only two good trades today. One was this short and the second one was this long. This I avoided because not avoided, I kind of stopped trading once I booked my profit here. But even this, if somebody had taken a call with the S1 as stop loss. See, when we get like this, if I'd seen this, I would have taken this. So a beautiful entry. If when you see this wicks like this, right, you can take an entry and keep the low of the wick as stop loss, right? So when we do that, in case the market reverses, if this low is gone, your stop loss is hit, right? But this wick shows that there is a rejection on the upside. That's the reason we got this good move until CPR. This was a good trade too. Now coming for the trade possibility for tomorrow, that is on Monday, I'm going to get rid of these two black trend lines. They will not be required anymore. Now see, we have the CPR levels here and these red lines are resistance, right? So we can be choppy within this range even on Monday or next week, maybe for a few days, 1 or 2 days. Why is that? Because see, we have a very good support here. Today when we came down also, the way we reversed, see this line, this green line I had drawn yesterday only, right? But why the price reversed from here? There was so much of resistance here earlier in this area, and that acted as a very good support here. Now the same thing, a good down move can come in Bank Nifty only if this low is taken out, that is 36,800. Even yesterday when on Thursday when I was checking the OI data, right, there was a strong OI support at 36,800. So that's the reason even today the same thing happened on the chart. So only if this is taken out, we can get a good move on the downside until 36,500. And any good up move is this 37,200. If it is taken out, we can see 37,395 and 37,500. And even if 37,500 is taken out, the next resistance will come at this level. That is, let me mark it in red. Why 37,800 is because of this price action. You see here, we had a pretty sharp sell-off from this point. So when the price again comes over here, we might take some resistance at this point at 37,892, almost 38,000. Obviously not for Monday, that could be sometime in the next week if it happens. So that's my view for Bank Nifty. I don't see any particular trend line that I can use at the moment, but this support and resistance line is what I'll be using. Okay, now coming to the daily chart of Bank Nifty, right? Even on the daily chart, this is the daily chart. Even on the daily chart, I see a good resistance can come at 37,000, the same level that we saw, 37,900, almost 37,900, and the next one is 38,200. In case we move higher, right? In case we move higher, say now we get an intraday move, say we get a gap up of 300 points and we get an intraday move of another 400 points. This is a good place to book profit because of this price action. We can have some sell off from here. This is another thing that I just wanted to show. And just looking at the global markets, right, The Dow Jones was pretty flat, even the Nasdaq was flat, but SGX Nifty showing a gap up of 75 points. Not sure if this 75 points will relate to a huge gap up or it will change on Monday. We'll have to wait and watch. From past few weekends, if you check, right, the SGX Nifty has reversed on Monday morning for whatever reason. So we'll have to wait and watch. Now coming for the Nifty. See, Nifty, I have this, this is the daily chart of Nifty. I have this trend line. There is a possible, the kind of recovery that we got from this low, right, of 16,800, the kind of move that we got, I have a feeling maybe, according to my view, we could hit this trend line, 17,772. After that, we might break it or we might reverse from here. We are not sure. That we'll have to wait and see how the price reacts at this point. So, I'll keep this trend line added on the daily chart. So every day I even look at the daily chart, how the price is moving, right? So I know that I don't leave this level out. For some reason, if we come here sooner than expected, I know this is a good place to book profit. And the 15-minute chart, this is the 1 hour chart that I've opened for Monday. Yeah, see, this is again a good resistance. There's so many times we have taken resistance yesterday and today at about 37,538. So if we close above this on Monday on an hourly candle or a 15-minute candle with a strong green candle, then we can see higher level. The next resistance is 17,016 and 17,690. Even if this is taken out, then probably 17,800. Why resistance is again because from this point we had a pretty good sell-off. See the kind of price action that we had here. From here again probably we got a sell-off, right? So in case the price comes here again, we might have a dip. So that's the reason we can be careful at these levels that I have marked. And this gap is still pending. I don't think we will come back anytime soon to fill this gap, the kind of move that we had from past few days. But we'll never know. In case we dip, right, this can also be a good target, that is 17,250. So this is my trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For next week, it's nothing complex. It's just the few levels and the CPI levels that I'll be using. I'm not even getting a trend line on the 15-minute chart that I can make use of, like how we had today. And if anybody haven't watched this video, who's seeing this video for the first time and who are new to my channel, can go and check this out. CPI logic for intraday trading and CPI reversal logic. That's really helpful and it will help out in your intraday trading. So that's it for this weekend and Monday. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and let's see how the market goes on Monday. Thank you.